Hello everybody. So I have been seeing so many queries related to exam forms for December 21. There are many people who have recently converted to new syllabus, either inter or CA final. But in exam form, it is showing as old syllabus only. So what we have to do in such cases, I will be explaining. Let's go. So have we converted to new syllabus, but exam form is showing as old still. So then this is for you. What are the important dates for December 21 exam? First one is conversion. What is the last date for conversion into new syllabus to be eligible to appear for December 21 exam is 30th September. Another 3-4 days is there. Okay. 30th September 21 is the last date for conversion to be eligible to appear for December 21 exam. To apply the exam form without late fee is also 30th September. Okay, 30th September is the last date for applying exam form without late fees. Both are same. So if you want to delay beyond 30th September, then you have to pay 600 rupees late fee, and that too maximum of 3rd October is the last date for late filing of exam form. Okay. One more important date is 4th October, that is correction window. Correction window begins on 4th October and will end on 10th October. Okay, these are the important dates. Now we'll go to the main issue. So there are many people who have written to ICAI. ICAI responded through mails. What we have to do in such cases? If you have converted to new syllabus, still it is showing as old in exam form. So what ICAI is responded. So dear student, please apply an old course and seek the change of course through the correction window between 4th October and to 10th October at the exam site if the course is converted from old to new syllabus on or before 30th September. Prepare well for the exam. All the best. And also same thing for another person. So what they are saying, if you have applied for conversion and it got converted on or before 30th September, then you can file exam form in old. If it is showing as old, even though if you have converted, if it is still showing as old, then apply in old only. Don't worry, apply in old only. When on 4th October the correction window opens, at that time you have to seek the change in correction window from old to new. Okay, so what ICAI generally allows for correction. Okay, we'll see. What ICAI will generally give correction through correction window. Okay, center. So assume if you have applied for one center while applying the exam, and in correction if you want to change, you can change the center. Okay, then group. Assume if you have applied for group 1, if you want to change it to group 2, then you can apply. If you have applied for group 2 and if you want to change group 1, then you can apply. That is, everyone knows that. And also medium, if you want to convert from English to Hindi, Hindi to English, you can do that. And this is important this time. From old syllabus to new syllabus to old syllabus also is available. Like recently ICAI has given one notification saying there are few people who have converted to new syllabus thinking that there is no additional attempt in December for old syllabus, but ICAI has given additional attempt for such students who want to write in old syllabus. They can write one more time. So that's why they have given, if your exam form is in new syllabus and if you want to uh, write exam in old syllabus, then you can select the old syllabus in correction window. That's all. Okay, and if you have converted and still in exam form it was showing old and you have applied as it is, and then you can change the syllabus from old to new in correction window. Okay, Now there is one more case, important case. So what if conversion form is not approved before 30th September? What they have said, if your conversion form has been approved and it got converted to new syllabus on or before 30th September, then only you can apply. Assume if it is not approved, assume you have submitted conversion form on 30th September only. Assume, because that is the last date, right? Assume if it is not approved on 30th September, if it is approved on 1st or 2nd October, then what we can do? Generally, as per their mail response, what they have said, it should be converted. Converted means what? Converted means it should have been approved on or before 30th September. But as per my knowledge, ICA is not so harsh on such students. They will give option. They will give option for such students also. If you have submitted conversion form on 30th September on student interest, they will give. So then if it is not approved also, you can apply an exam old only, and you can see correction if it is available. Otherwise you have no other option, you have to write in old only, right? Okay, that's all. So this is the what they have said, should be converted. The course is converted from old to new at SSP on or before 30th September. If your form is not approved, then apply in old syllabus, seek correction. Probably it will give option. If not given, then you have to write in old syllabus only. Okay, that's all from my side. If you have any queries, you can comment and subscribe to my channel for more updates on CA and CA Inter. Thank you. Signing off. Bye.